Hi, and welcome to Voice with Juliet and day 102 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we are finishing up with our varied scales with exercise 151.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So exercise 151 is a little vague to me because Marchesi writes transpositions of the first three scales. And on the first one, she says crescendo and diminuendo, the second one forte, the third one piano. So am I to assume that as we keep going up and down, that we mix and match as we want? I'm not sure. I'm going to make an executive decision and decide that we should do all three on every transposition. So the first one is in C major. We would do the crescendo and diminuendo, the forte, and the piano on that one, and then move on to the next one. You can modulate, you can do it as written also, but then always make sure you go back and do the other keys, because I think it's very important when you're dealing with keys, right? Vocal keys. And if you kind of get stuck into this, oh, in this key, I do this dynamic, or this kind of singing, right? You can get a little locked. So I think it's important that over all the keys, you double check that you have the crescendo, diminuendo, the hairpins, right? The forte and the piano, all workable in those same keys. So I am, for this one, going to demonstrate all three in each key before modulating. Okay, so here is exercise 151. And just to, again, state, I'm gonna do C major 3 times, one crescendo, a diminuendo, then forte, then piano. Oh, now forte. Oh, now piano. Oh. Okay, next one, now crescendo, diminuendo. Oh, now forte. Oh, piano. Oh, next one, okay? Crescendo and diminuendo. Oh, forte. Oh, piano. Oh, and that's how I would proceed through the scale. So really make sure that you are able to do all of them in each of the iterations.